Hello everyone and welcome to SeaTac Spotting from the hotel room at Aviation Expo 2026. Yeah, this is great, dude. I wish it could be up higher, but we're all good. There's a Pokemon jet right there. That's sweet. There should be an Alaska Max taking off. So you can't really see like how, well, you can see like when they take off. There's a new Alaska livery on the Dreamliner. There's one A330, and then there's a Delta A350 tail, I believe, right there. Where's this Alaska Max, dude? It's supposed to be coming any sec. There's a Delta A330, I believe, right there. Yeah, that's sweet to see. Don't expect a whole lot of spotting during the day today. I'll probably be doing it at night. There's better shot of it. Oh, oops, sorry guys. Alright, where is this Max A, dude? Oh, there it is. Nice. Guys, there's Pikachu Jet. I'm sure Ed would love this. He is here. I just don't know where he is. I hear JJ might be going on the Beaver Tour, so that'd be cool. Interact with him and possibly Gabriel. I'm not sure. We'll just have to wait and see. Delta 175, Delta 7, and there should be a aircraft taking off soon, I believe. If not, there's a airplane landing. Oh yeah, never mind, there is one. Where's it? There it is. Sorry guys. Man, these A220s get you. Drives the pumpsters and the Max A, there it is. Man, that's such a great shot going too. Quad body alert, there's a Delta, I believe, A330-900 Neo coming to take off here soon. Should see it. Its tail should pop up here maybe. There it is. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's amazing. Guys are tracking it. It's a Hawaiian A330. It's coming to take off. Oh my god, I love this airport, bro. Alright. Let's get in position. Let's get a great shot. Oh, there's an Alaska 737 in the back. Okay, let's get Hawaiian. Oh sweet, there's the Lufthansa 340-300 and B-Star Lines lately. That's sick. There it is. Yeah, there you go. That's amazing. Starline A340 300 bush pushback. Yes, sorry. I gotta go back in. What is it? Time to catch an A175. Guys, look at that. There's lefty A340 300 Starline. 100 years A350 was there yesterday. It's okay because I'll probably see that in Denver. But there we go, A340. Absolutely amazing. There's the last 677, 180, peak. E175 flying over. That's another Delta 1. I get some shots of the flying pencil. As I see a bunch of United ones, I don't see a lot of Deltas. That's nice. We got an A320 Neo coming in. The sun's just starting to peek out a little bit, so that's great. Oh, and I think as soon as this taking off, we have a go around. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. It looks like a E175. And then speaking of a E175, there's an A321 Neo. Nice. Another Delta A330 Neo is next, so we'll make sure to catch that. Hold on, guys. A330 Neo getting pushed back. Well, the A330 Neo is taking off. Look at that. The Hawaiian A330-200. Absolutely amazing. I think it's already showing a taxi. Oh, that's great. So we saw a special livery and we're seeing a regular livery. Amazing. And then there's a train. That's long. Anyway, then there's the last 77-9. There's one apparently going to take off here soon. Anyway, I'm going oh, that's beautiful. Alright, where's this next plane? I swear, I thought there should be like an Alaska 737 something taking off, I believe. Alright, where is this? That's not, I just saw an Alaska land. That's definitely not it. Alright, we've been waiting here like a few seconds. Come on, man. Like, where's this Alaska? Alright, I may have to end the shot and just like switch to a takeoff shot unless it doesn't appear like the next few seconds. Okay, I give up. Where the heck is this guy? Oh well, at least in the meantime, I guess you can go some my shots with the 177. I mean, A330. My bad. Okay, like where the heck is this guy? Okay, like, alright, we'll switch back to a takeoff shot. Alright guys, so it's actually a Delta 737. Oh, my bad, but there you guys go. This time, guys, we're waiting for Alaska 737-900 ER. The ERs usually tend to take off a little bit like longer. So we'll wait to see where this guy comes. There he is. Okay, we're waiting on an airline for 737 MAX 9. Alright, airline good. You can show yourself. There we go. Guys, bad news, my camera is pretty much dead. Like, there's still a little bit of battery left, but I made it to catch the Lufthansa before on their own, because I can't really catch anything else. Yeah, I might as well catch this last 275. Here comes the Alaska 737-9 Dumont, guys. Wait, are those people spawning? Oh wait, never mind, that might just be a quick place, that's weird. Alright. I swear, I thought I saw people there. Either I'm hallucinating. Alright, where's this bird? There it is. Oh yeah. Look at that. Outstanding. This is skybase, it's cool. I like that. Where is it? There it is. We're staying here, catch Starline's Lufthansa 8340-200, and I think that'll do it, even though I know there's one 830, and there's also one more Alaska 737, just that my camera's about to die, so I'll say that, but thank you so much all for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye. Alright, hello everyone. So we just got back from the Kenmore Air Tour, absolutely amazing, and then I love just looking at that Alaska 77. It's definitely not my favorite livery. I'd way prefer a Chester on the tail, but it's fine. I guess it could be a little worse. There goes a look at that. That's amazing. Alaska 75 departing in the sunset. Might do some night spotting and early morning spotting. There you guys go. There's also a Valaris, JetBlue, and Iceland Airtail. But yeah, it was a great tour. Met so many amazing people. I got to interact with a lot of them. So like, General Jets 1975, Mark, JJ, Aviation LAA, I believe. Fly MDN, or David. Who you guys all know, he is the so-called from last year Matthew Kachuk superfan. But I guess I could put that beside, considering, well, actually, you know what, never mind. There's an Air Mexico Max 9. That might be the Max 8 getting pushed back. And then there's also the Delta A330. Neo, where's it? There you go, over here. I'll be touring the Alaska hangar tomorrow and hoping to see Aviation, Poke Aviation. He'll be on the tour before me, so yeah. I'm not sure if there's any more. I'm pretty sure there's a few wide-body departures left. There's 100 years 737-9 GDR for Alaska. Just missed that. There's a tail of it. Taxiing. Alright, where's our next departure? Someone's just arriving again. I can see that. Never mind, it's just in the United 737 taxiing extremely fast. Just like we did when we got in last night. Alright, where is this next departure? Like, hello? Okay, you know, we're just gonna cut back to a departure. There's a plane taxiing, and then there might be one just taking off. Never mind, it's just an Alaska 737 landing. What plane is that? I can't really see. Where is it? There we go. And it won't focus. Okay, that's great. Amazing. But yeah, we're still just waiting on planes to take off. I think they're using the runway just to let some aircraft move by. But there is an arrival coming in. Wait, no, oh, never mind. Alright. The Star Wars 737 Andrew, I just want to catch up. We'll get one more shot of the Alaska 77. Might be out here a little later, but right now this is looking like it'll be it for day 0 of Aviation Expo. A great day. Seen so many people I know and can't wait to even see more, meet more tomorrow. But we'll end it up on the Star Wars livery, wherever that is. But before I do, I'd like to say thank you very much all for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.